Hello. So in this video, we're going to look at how to use the import feature in Google Sheets. The import feature is great for when you're pulling data from another system. Maybe it's your testing system, one of the online programs that you use, and you want to bring it into your spreadsheet. Yes, you could open it up in Excel and copy and paste stuff in, but I find sometimes when you do that, formatting gets messed up. You accidentally don't copy everything. So this simple, easy trick just allows you to directly import the file into your spreadsheet. So let's take a look at how to do it. In my new spreadsheet here, I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to click on Import. From here, it's going to open up where I can import it from. I can import from my drive, anywhere else, but I'm going to choose Upload because I have the Excel file on my desktop. So I'm just going to drag it in here. And then it's going to start uploading. The next screen that you're going to see asks you what you want to do with it, where the location is that you want to import this file. Since I'm just trying to add another sheet to this existing sheet, I'm going to say Insert. And what that will do is that will create a new sheet on the bottom that I can then use to reference, and I can look at all within one file. So I click Import Data. You're going to give it a few seconds, and just like that, the information that I downloaded from my other program, SIS, testing program, whatever it is, has been imported right here directly into my spreadsheet. So now on the bottom, I have my sheet that I started with, and I have the data that I needed to get.